Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back to our house. So I want to show you guys, give you guys some type of an update here on our place. I've been updating everybody else's house except my... Hello. So we got a few things going on this weekend. Let's see what the boys are up to. Look at those sunflowers, my God. Chili's not doing too good. Wow. You gotta watch out, make sure there's no snakes over here. Oh, look at all the little bees in there. Can you see that? Really beautiful. Really beautiful. Look at that. Huh? These are the most beautiful sunflowers I think I've seen in a long time. I have to say. My lemon tree, not so good. Fertilizer around the lemon tree. Next time you take the stuff out of the pig pen.
Yeah.
Put it over here around the lemon plant.
Yeah. The rice mill.
What?
Rice mill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put it over here. It's not doing good.
Yeah. Afternoon.
But there's some new leaves.
Afternoon.
Some new leaves here. Oh, that's a new piece. It's green.
Look at the pineapple. It's very...
Yeah, it looks good, right?
Yeah.
After you put this. So Sammy's cleaning the bamboo.
Yeah.
With a little bleach and water.
Yeah.
What's that now? That's the polyurethane?
No.
What is it?
Afternoon, I will see the polyurethane. So,
What is this?
this varnish.
Varnish? Oh, sanding sealer. Okay, so you gotta do the sanding sealer first?
First, and afternoon I will try this one and I will see first the pin. This one.
Where did you put the sanding sealer so far? Here?
Here.
Just here?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Sanding sealer and the polyurethane is afternoon.
Okay. We still have to clean this one, right? This one's not clean yet, right?
Yeah, I know.
Ah, okay.
And if you like a polyurethane, if you said okay.
Okay. So we're testing out this corner for the polyurethane that we bought.
Yeah.
It's like a floor polyurethane. The painter knows, what he's doing, because he said if I put the other stuff, the clear gloss, he said sun will ruin it and it won't look good. So the fence looks really good, right?
Yeah.
Nice and clean.
Clean. And this one clean. Don't look first.
Yeah.
Like that. Afternoon I will cook. If you finish, if you like polyurethane, polyurethane all this one side.
When you guys get caught up with the fence and everything is done here, then I want you to start fixing here. Yeah. I want to have that all cemented. All those rocks have to come down and then put back up with cement.
This side here.
And then over here we put cement here, all around this building. Yeah. And then all this wood is going to go on the back. Yeah. All this metal, nothing here, no chickens, no nothing, just the clotheslines. Yeah. That's it.
So the finish that.
Oh, and don't forget to cut the Gemelina tree. The leaves are so big.
Yeah.
Over there. Yeah, give them to the goat. They're so big.
Yeah.
Cut them all down.
Afternoon, this one I will put.
Okay.
If finish to it, I will come back.
Thank you, Sam. And then let's go fishing. Maybe tomorrow. Let's see how the weather is. Or maybe tonight if the weather's not good. If the weather's good, we go tonight. Her father wants to go squid fishing. Yeah. We just go. If it's not rough, we'll go just a little ways like we did before.
Yeah.
So
it's good.
Tomorrow?
Oh.
All right. Okay.
Because no squid for squid fishing. You buy a one.
Oh, we need another jig.
The squid for the
Oh, the big one?
No,
For what?
put the like the squids put the
The hook?
hook
We have two.
because yeah, but two because no squids. This one.
I know what you're talking about, but we need more.
No.
So what do you mean? I'm trying to figure out what he's saying. A lot of times we go through this back and forth, and we're like, what happened here? I'm gonna kill you guys. Yeah.
The important is
What happened here? You spilled the paint?
this paint is going down. And this one, put the squids here.
Oh, you have to put a squid here.
Here,
A dry squid.
dry.
Oh, okay.
If you know no squid, you cannot cut.
You cannot catch squid?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
Because it's the smell? They smell
No,
the other
because-
squid?
Maybe the she's light. If you through
Okay.
one only.
Okay. So you have to buy dried squid in the
No, not dry squid.
what?
You buy a one squid and I will put the
Put it in the sun?
sun because I will
Okay. What's that?
for the chicken
Again? Oh my god.
because he
We have to go to the rice mill. We have to dry this. I'll tell Lynn's father. Okay.
it's not good for right.
Yeah, I know. When it gets good. Look at this banana tree, it's growing.
Yeah.
The banana tree looks nice.
Yeah.
It's really growing.
Because chicken, a lot of-
Oh my god. I don't know what we're gonna do with all these chicks.
maybe the others.
Yeah.
For the others, madam, to go to the mountain.
Sim, put some of these big birds in the pen. Some of those birds are big. You can put them in the pen.
Maybe I will transfer them. First,
Well, no, you can't put them over there. They'll die.
just die.
Oh, so you gotta give them a chance to adjust.
Like that.
Okay.
To transfer.
Okay, so put these in here.
This one to
Put these in here. Those are all males.
male and female. This one.
So this male, tie him up outside.
Outside.
And yeah, and put the two females in here.
This one, it's okay to transfer.
Outside? Oh, into
Yeah,
the pen.
in.
Yeah. Good idea. It's a good idea.
Afternoon because I will.
Okay, all right. He's mad at me. I'm distracting him. So this is the bamboo. That's all. We painted it with all selenium. That's the first step, getting this thing protected. My nanny is back. She's back from the dead. Oh my God, thank you. I don't know what we do without her. Okay. So, let's take a look. Let's look and see what's going on here. Look at the fence. That's beautiful, huh? It's like a work of art. I have to say, it's beautiful. I don't know if the other side is done. So Nano's working on the light post. The light post is looking good. It's looking really good. Look at it. Looks good, Nando. Gonna be a nice light there at the top. And we can hang signs off this post, you know, like villas for rent, maybe some eggs for sale, you know, stuff like that. Yesterday we had a nice day with Mike and Cora. So this side's not painted yet. But they did a hell of a job. Huh? I mean, one heck of a job on this fence. It looks amazing. The way the sun is shining right now on the fence, it's really nice. have any shoes on. Probably shouldn't do this. That's one of the best investments I ever made, that little electric sander. So the bamboo is almost ready to be put up. Still drying out a little bit. We got our cameras up there. And look at that. Wow, so nice. I mean, it really looks classy in the bamboo. Sammy's gonna, we have a technique for cleaning the bamboo, and then once it's cleaned up, Sammy's gonna put the varnish on it. It's like a floor. It's like a floor polyurethane that will coat it, keep it protected, and it's coated with selenium. And probably once a year, I'll redo it. And I think this will last. I'm hoping I can get 10 years out of it. Because who knows where I'll be in 10 years. I don't know if I'll still be here. But the next step is to get defense guy to come out here and measure the openings. The openings here to put the stainless steel. There'll be stainless steel in between here. So you can see, you can see the house. I think we made the the front very classy, where it's just not a big, huge brick wall. And at the same time, we still have security. Between all the cameras we have, the gate, the fence, the lights, the solar lights. This place is going to be pretty damn secure. And I really love this Gemelina tree. I hope we don't lose it in a storm. If we do, we're probably going to end up having to replace part of the roof if it falls on the roof. But it's a chance I'm willing to take, because I don't want to cut that tree down. Oh, here comes Palomina. The fence looks fantastic.